Tired of drowning in emails and wishing you could clone yourself to handle them all? Today, we're unlocking a superpower automatically replying to Gmail emails using Zapier. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. Next, select Gmail as your trigger app. Choose the new email trigger. This tells Zapier to watch for new emails in your inbox. Connect your Gmail account if you haven't already. Specify which mailbox you want Zapier to monitor. Usually your inbox. You can also filter by labels if you want to be more specific. Now, let's add a filter. Only want to respond to emails with a specific subject. Use the filter to set your condition. Select Gmail as your action app again, but this time, choose Send Email. Connect your Gmail account. If prompted, fill in the to field with the incoming email's address using the email address from the previous step. Craft your subject and write the body of your reply. Click Test Step to send a test email and make sure everything looks good. It is best to test the step to ensure that the steps are working correctly. Finally, turn on your Zap. From now on, Zapier will automatically reply to emails that meet your specified criteria.